Tablescapes by Carole R. I hope everyone is enjoying the rest of their weekend. It's Sunday and tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, so I decided to do Tablescape, and I'm enjoying my Tablescape designs, and I hope you are too. For those who are new to the channel, welcome, and thank you for stopping by. I sincerely hope that you like my Tablescapes and will watch my previous videos. Subscribe, like, share, comment. I would love that. And for those of you who are my subscribers, thank you for returning and watching my video. This is a short one for St. Patrick's Day 2025. So sit back, relax for a couple of minutes, and enjoy. And I just want you to know, thank you and appreciate everyone watching. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone. Take care. And thanks again for watching. The humanities and my goblets are from either Home Goods or Home Sense or Amazon. I'm not sure at the moment. And this is the start of my Tablescape. I will be using silverware that I thrifted from Goodwill. And that'll be the reveal in a few minutes.